In a few months, you'll see a version 2.0 na sunshine naman. I love to sleep. Introvert kasi ako, so I'd rather stay at home with my kids, sleep, and I stay away from negativity and dramas. Ayoko ng drama. So, positive lang. Positive ang outlook sa life. Always be grateful for what you have. And kung ano yung wala, you always just focus on what you have. And of course, aside from Tayo Cell, I work out. I work out 3 to 4 times a week. I used to box. Nagbo-boxing ako eh. Pero ngayon, iba naman. So, soon, in a few months, you'll see a version 2.0 na sunshine naman. So, I'm working on myself. Yun lang. So, self-love. Kailangan lang mahalin ang sarili. Yun lang sinasabi ko even before. If you expect a person or people to love you, you have to love yourself first. Diba? So, yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon to stay healthy, fit, not just for myself, but for my family. Very, very simple ang skincare ko. I remove my makeup. I don't sleep with makeup on. And just a moisturizer, eye cream. Of course, when you turn 40, actually 30 pa lang ako, nag-eye cream na ako. Kasi doon mo makikita talaga pag nag-age sa eyes. And what else? Drink lots of water. Water talaga. Lagi akong merong dalang water. And sleep. Sleep talaga kasi kahit anong skincare ang gawin natin, if you lack sleep, then makikita talaga sa skin natin. Meron akong Rona, yung bag ko, nandun sa kanya. Makikita ninyo, I have a makeup pouch. Of course, I have nandiyan din ang aking Tayo Cell kasi on the go talaga. Ang Tayo Cell, what's nice about it is anywhere, anytime, you can take it kasi nga it's in lozenge form. So nasa bag ko rin yun, and I have my cologne, and I have wet wipes. So very simple. I think lahat ng babae, kung ano yung nasa bag ko, meron